Going on a safari, a wild adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's all about adventure and discovery: going on a safari. This phrase evokes images of wild animals, exotic landscapes, and thrilling experiences. Let's dive into what it means to go on a safari and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Going on a safari means embarking on a journey or expedition, primarily to observe, photograph, or hunt wild animals in their natural habitat. The term safari originates from the Swahili word for journey, reflecting its roots in East Africa, where such trips are popular. However, the concept has expanded globally, and you can now go on a safari in various parts of the world, not just Africa. When someone says they're going on a safari, they're talking about a trip that includes several key elements. Wildlife viewing. The heart of a safari is seeing animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes in the wild. Nature exploration. Beyond animals, safaris offer the chance to experience breathtaking landscapes, from savannas to forests. Cultural immersion. Many safaris also offer opportunities to learn about local cultures and communities. Adventure and leisure. Safaris can range from luxurious stays in eco-lodges to camping under the stars. This phrase is perfect for talking about travel plans, experiences, and interests in English. Here are some examples. Sharing experiences. Last year, I went on a safari in Tanzania. It was incredible. Discussing plans. I'm dreaming of going on a safari in Kenya next summer. Expressing interests. I love nature documentaries, especially those about safaris. Going on a safari is more than just a trip. It's an adventure that connects you with nature and wildlife in a profound way. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the English language and the world around you. Remember, learning English opens up a world of adventures, just like going on a safari. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting lessons. Happy learning, and maybe one day, happy safari going!